Discover the science of wildfires and how they progress and spread. Uncover why embers are a silent threat, igniting homes far from the main fire. Learn to create defensible space by managing vegetation 5, 30, and 100 feet from your home. Get top recommendations for fire-resistant plants and materials for your landscape. Understand the importance of Zone Zero to keep flammable materials away from your home. Protect your home with expert insights. Go to Amazon and get your copy today. Spread the knowledge of safety, like and share this video. Even the smallest action can lead to great change. Helping others is like spreading seeds of safety. When you share what you know, you can help protect someone else's home from wildfires. Our goal is to teach everyone how to protect their homes from wildfires. Every part of this book is designed to help spread that important message. The more people we reach, the safer everyone can be.